Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your operating system and reducing clutter so you can focus. Open the 2 or 3 apps you will use for the split. Make sure none are minimized. On Windows, use the task view to see active windows. On Mac OS, place apps in separate spaces if needed. Once done, verify display resolution and scaling so both sides remain readable. This prevents layout shifts when you snap windows and saves time in the next step. Now you perform the core action. Place each window. On Windows, drag a window to the left or right edge or press Win plus left, then select the other app. This creates a 50/50 split by default. On Mac OS, click and hold the green window button and choose Tile Window to left/right, then pick the second app. Make sure Mission Control isn't blocking spaces. On Linux, use your compositor's snap keys or install a tiling extension. Adjust proportions. Finish by fine-tuning the layout. Drag the divider to give more space to one app or enable a 3-pane layout if you need it. Use keyboard shortcuts to quickly move focus, swap panes, or send a window to another monitor. Make sure to save your workspace if your OS supports it. If something goes wrong, restart the window manager or update graphics drivers. If a tiling extension causes trouble, disable it and retry. That solves most split-screen problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.